Hey everyone, I'm Kamran. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a new element of an HTML. So we are going to talk about anchor tag. We are going to talk about what is anchor tag, in what condition we have to use it, and how to use it. So basically, anchor tags define hyperlink, so which is used to link one HTML page to another. So let's say you have two different HTML pages and you want to switch between them. For example, like if you have one home page and another about us page of your application and you want to switch from home to about us page, so this anchor tag will come handy in that situation. So let's clear up our HTML file and put some anchor tag to demonstrate one of the application. So I will clear up a whole of this header tag and will put our anchor tag over here. So anchor tag is defined by just simply A. So you can put any other element inside this anchor tag, or you can simply put some text inside this tag. So we will put here go to about us page, save it. Now we will create one more page of about us. So I am going to change this title to home just to define it as a home page. Now I will create a new file and name it as a about us page. Don't forget to put the .html extension. So here we are going to copy all the content of this first step HTML file into this about us. Now we will change this title to about us, and here we are going to change go to home page. Now in order to switch from first step to about us page, we have to add an attribute called as href, which stands for reference. So we have to pass the relative path of the page you want to switch to. So in the file explorer, we can see that the first step and the about us HTML pages are in the same folder. So the relative path will be / and you will see the list of all the files in this folder. So you have to select about us.html and save it. And similarly, we are going to add an href into about us HTML page as well. So here I am going to add a href and I am going to pass first step HTML inside this. So basically what we are doing here, like we are instructing the HTML file to switch to about us.html page once I click on this link or text. So on the browser, once you refresh, you will see that text is converted into a link. So once you hover on this text, your cursor will convert it into a hand and you can click on this. So now you can see that you have been switched to about us HTML page. Now this is our about us page, and on that we have this text of go to home page, and we have linked this text to home page. So once you click on this, you will again redirect it to the home page. So this is our whole idea about the anchor tag, how you can use it to switch between pages. So another attribute which is very useful in common applications is you can use target. So what target defines? So target defines exactly where to open the linked document, means like where you want to open the new page. So right now we are opening this in the same tab. If you want to open this in some other tab, so you can use this attribute target, and inside that you have to pass blank. This will define that a new page which you are going to open is going to open in a new tab. Let's try this. Refresh your browser. So once you click on this, a new tab will open, and in that your about us page will open. So for now, these are the important attributes which you can get started with. So this is all about the anchor tag and the important attributes. So you can keep practicing by creating multiple HTML pages and switching between them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe if you are new to the channel. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.